tech lovers, my name is Alyssa Brigetto, and today we're going to find out how the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra stacks up against a real camera. We all know that S23 Ultra got a fantastic camera system. In fact, I'm going to switch to it right now. But how does it compare to real dedicated cameras, such as the ZV-E10 by Sony, or even the 700D by Canon? Let's find out. One of the benefits of having a mirrorless camera like this one is that you have access to a variety of different lenses that you can change according to your photo and video needs. You can have access to a variety of different lenses that you can change according to your photo and video needs. On the other hand, the S23 Ultra only has 3 lenses, but it's very slim and it fits in your pocket. So what do you guys think? Is the 23 Ultra any good compared to the Sony or the Canon camera? So what do you guys think? Is the 23 Ultra any good compared to the Sony or the Canon camera? And how's the autofocus? Now, let's get to details. The Sony ZV-E10 and the Samsung S23 Ultra both record up to 4K. However, the Canon only records up to 1080p. And I really do wonder if you guys can tell that by watching this video. Can you tell the difference in quality? Now, let's be real, guys. Smartphones are getting too good. But the real question here is it good enough for you? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, because I actually am really interested to know your opinion. So there you have it, guys. In my opinion, the camera on the S23 Ultra is absolutely incredible. Not to say, first of all, this is a smartphone. You can text, call, do social media, browse the internet, as well as taking great pictures and videos. But if you're really serious about photography or videography, just invest in a real pro camera. So we're coming to the end of this video, but I have a video comparing the S23 Ultra versus the S22 Ultra. If you guys are interested in that, I'm leaving the link in the description, as well as the gear used for this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Mwah!